Do you ever feel like managing your business finances is a never-ending tug-of-war? On one side, you have established, comprehensive solutions like Patriot. On the other, a rapidly evolving army of slick, specialized fintech apps, each promising to revolutionize a specific aspect of your financial life. So, which one wins in the battle for your business's financial future? Which is the best fit for you? This isn't a simple question with a one-size-fits-all answer. The world of business finance has become incredibly diverse, and what works for a solo entrepreneur might be completely inadequate for a growing small business with multiple employees. Today, we're diving deep into this crucial comparison, Patriot versus fintech apps. We'll break down their strengths, weaknesses, costs, and capabilities, giving you the clarity you need to make an informed decision for your unique business. Let's start by setting the stage. When we talk about Patriot, we're primarily referring to Patriot Software, a company renowned for its comprehensive payroll and accounting solutions, particularly popular among small to medium-sized businesses in the U.S. They've built a reputation for being user-friendly, affordable, and compliant with tax regulations. On the flip side, fintech apps is a broad category. It encompasses a vast ecosystem of applications designed to streamline specific financial tasks. Think mobile banking apps, payment processing solutions, budgeting tools, expense trackers, invoicing apps, and even specialized lending platforms. These apps often leverage cutting-edge technology, offering highly focused functionalities and a seamless, mobile-first user experience. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty, starting with a core function for most businesses, payroll. The payroll powerhouse, Patriot's strengths. Patriot Payroll is a serious contender for small and medium businesses. Its biggest draw is its full-service payroll processing. This means Patriot handles the heavy lifting of calculating wages, factoring in hours, salaries, bonuses, and deductions across various pay schedules. But it goes beyond just calculations. Patriot also takes care of automated tax filings and payments at the federal, state, and even local levels. This is a massive relief for business owners who often dread the complexities and potential penalties associated with payroll taxes. They even offer a tax filing accuracy guarantee, which provides significant peace of mind. Another key advantage of Patriot is its user-friendly interface. Many reviews highlight its simplicity, making it accessible even for those without extensive accounting knowledge. The platform guides users through the payroll process step by step, aiming to reduce errors and flatten the learning curve. This ease of use extends to its unlimited payroll runs, meaning you can process payroll as often as needed without incurring additional fees, a definite plus for businesses with varying pay frequencies or off-cycle payments. Patriot also boasts direct deposit capabilities, ensuring fast and secure payments to your employees. They offer both 2-day and 4-day direct deposit options. Furthermore, the employee self-service portal is a fantastic feature. Employees can access their pay stubs, W-2s, and even update personal information online, reducing administrative overhead for the business owner. For those who need it, Patriot offers customizable payroll to account for various deductions and contributions like 401(k), health insurance, and garnishments. They also provide free payroll setup assistance, which can be invaluable for businesses switching providers or setting up payroll for the first time. Integration with their own accounting software is seamless, and they also offer data export to other accounting programs like QuickBooks Desktop, helping to maintain aligned financial records. However, it's worth noting some potential limitations. While Patriot is strong on payroll, its integrations with other third-party software can be somewhat limited compared to some fintech apps designed for broader integration. Also, while mobile-friendly for employees to track hours, Patriot doesn't have a dedicated employer-facing mobile app for running payroll on the go, which could be a drawback for some. And for businesses with international employees or contractors, Patriot currently does not support payroll outside of the U.S. The fintech frontier, agility, and specialization. Now, let's pivot to the world of fintech apps. The beauty of fintech lies in its specialization and agility. Instead of one large, all-encompassing system, you often piece together a suite of apps that perfectly fit your specific needs. This can lead to incredible efficiency and cost savings in certain areas. One of the most immediate benefits of fintech apps is greater accessibility. Many are designed with a mobile-first approach, allowing you to manage finances from anywhere, at any time. This is a huge advantage for business owners who are constantly on the move. They also often boast intuitive and engaging user interfaces, making financial tasks feel less like a chore and more like a seamless digital experience. When it comes to payments, fintech apps are kings. From mobile payment solutions like Square POS and PayPal to peer-to-peer, P2P, transfers like Venmo and Zelle, they've revolutionized how businesses send and receive money. Many offer streamlined payment processes, often with lower transaction fees than traditional methods. For businesses heavily reliant on online sales or in-person card payments, a dedicated fintech payment app is often a no-brainer. Beyond payments, fintech apps excel in other specialized areas. Expense tracking, apps like Xero allow for automated bill and receipt capture, making expense management incredibly efficient and reducing manual data entry. Invoicing, dedicated invoicing apps, often integrated with payment processors, make creating, sending, and tracking invoices simple and professional. Budgeting and financial management, many fintech apps offer real-time insights into cash flow, tracking income and expenses, and providing robust reporting features that empower businesses to make informed financial decisions. Access to capital, fintech lenders often offer faster processing for loan applications and approvals, providing quicker access to financing than traditional banks. Customer experience, by offering diverse and convenient payment options, businesses can enhance the customer experience, potentially leading to increased sales and loyalty. Another significant advantage of fintech apps is their emphasis on automation. They automate routine tasks like invoicing, bill payment, and reconciliation, freeing up valuable time for business owners to focus on strategic activities. This automation directly contributes to improved operational efficiency and cost savings, as businesses can reduce the need for extensive manual labor or costly physical infrastructure. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.